Hello guys, welcome back again in another video. Guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Yes, beautiful. Yeah, today is beautiful Monday, so I hope everyone is chilling out there. Yeah guys, today I have come with a very powerful topic and I will need your attention. In today's video, I am going to be talking about married people or married women that have been facing these challenges of their husband cheating on them. Yes. In fact, this particular problem has become so annoying. It's so annoying that we ladies, we don't know what to do any longer. It's only God that can help us to deliver us from this kind of problem. Yes, you see, in this video, if you are a married lady or an intending married lady, please, this video is for you because it's going to help you a lot. This video will help you to keep your man all by yourself. Yes, you heard me. So if you are a man here watching this video and you are so truthful to your wife, you don't cheat on your wife, a very big kudos to you. You are a husband material. But those that always have this character of cheating on their wife, even when they know fully well that their wife is beautiful, their wives has a good character, and yet they'll prefer everything under the skirts than their wife. I'm sorry, today is going to be the end of that cheating. Today, those side chicks, they run away from you. So if you are a lady here watching me, you are facing that kind of problem. Your husband has side chicks, to the extent that those side chicks will be even calling you the house help, and them now is madam of the house. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine? So my fellow ladies, don't cry any longer because this particular video will help you a lot to hold your man all by yourself. Okay, so if you want to know how to do it, keep on watching. And besides, this is not a charm, it is a reality, and it's very effective. Yeah, it's better that you protect your marriage than having a broken home after having 2, 3, 4 children. I mean, for crying out loud, where do you want to take those children out? Where do you want to take them to if you end up having a broken marriage? If you end up running away from your husband's house, you don't have to run away from your husband's house. You don't have to take your children away from your husband. All you have to do is to secure what belongs to you. All you have to do is to protect what rightfully belongs to you. And besides, God said, whatever that you have joined together, let no man put asunder. So why would a side chick put asunder in your marriage? Why would you run away from your home? Then you are now allowing side chick to take over. You don't have to do that. You have to stand on your ground and maintain your stand. You have to stand up and be a wise woman that God has made you to be. So to do that, and there's nothing wrong in this particular recipe, to protect what rightfully belongs to you, there is nothing wrong in it. You have to protect it before in your mother one also. I don't know if you are getting me. So to do that, you only need 2 ingredients, which are the most powerful ingredients in the particular recipe. Number 1 ingredient in our list is what? Key. You need a key like this, and you need this love and attraction leaf for marriage people. It's only married people that can use this. If your husband are cheating you, if your husband is cheating you, you need this leaf, and you need a key. This key, you can get it anywhere. Okay, you can get it in the shop, in the supermarket, anywhere at all. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Okay, in the morning when you wake up from the sleep, you have to call your husband's name 7 times. Yes, you have to call your husband name 7 times and then begin to pray on this key. You are going to make a prayer with this key for 7 days, calling your husband's name every day that you're making a prayer with this key. Okay? For instance, you woke up today, Monday. You call your husband's name 7 times. You begin to pray. Anything that you wish, you say it on this key. Anything that, however you want your husband to be to you. If you want him to be loyal, if you want him to leave those side chick and focus on you and your children, anything at all that wants your husband to do for you, you want your husband to become to you, be saying it after calling his name for 7 times. Now, you are going to making this prayer for complete 7 days. On the 7th day, that is when you have to, this key now is open. I have not locked it. So on the day that will make it 7 days, you are going to call your husband name for 7 days and then conclude all your wishes. How you want your husband to be to you, how you want him to treat you and your children, anything at all. If cheating is your husband's problem, say that you don't want him to be cheating any longer. Say that you don't want him to leave you and go outside and be having fun with those side chicks. And after that, the 7th day, now, say it, call his name 7 times, and then lock this key. Lock this key. Now it's locked, okay? After you must have done locking the key, remove it. Do not open it again. Remove it, and then now throw this key inside the bush. Hide this one, or you can throw it anywhere, maybe in the gutter, or maybe keep it where your husband will not see it. This is the secret to hold your husband. And I tell you, have locked and hold your husband all by yourself. Nobody, no juju, no side chick juju can be able to open your husband from you. You have locked your husband. In fact, this is mistakes. This is not a charm. Okay? You are securing, even if it's a charm, you are securing what belongs to you. You don't want to end up being a single mother. You know how things are difficult in this country. Would you want to end up being a single mother? Would you want to end up leaving your home to another woman? And after you must have done that, then in the morning, the leave that I just showed you now, the attraction and the husband and wife leave, that it's only a woman that are meant to take that leave, not men, please. In the morning, boil a water and then put Lipton tea inside your teacup, and then take a pinch of that leaf that I just showed you. My daughter has carried the leaf. I can't be running away pursuing her, trying to get the leaf now. Take a pinch of that leaf and then add it into your tea. Okay? Call your husband's name 7 times and then drink it. Anything that you want him to do for you, call your husband's name for 7 times. You see, that leaf is a very powerful leaf for topunadu, for marriage that wants to break, or maybe for husbands that are cheating and you don't know what to do. You have tried every recipe. Just only that leaf and this key, your husband will be fully yours forever. When I mean forever, then you drink the tea. Okay, do it for 7 days. So guys, that is the end of the video. If you need this particular leaf, I am going to be dropping my number on this video. Okay, so you get my number and then order for your leaf. Even for other spiritual material like that, I have it. Spiritual work, good and fine. We do it very perfectly well by special grace of God. So guys, that is the end of the video for today. Okay, so if you have any questions to direct, just direct it on the comment section. All right, so guys, see you on my next episode. You have a wonderful week ahead. Bye bye.